Hi, welcome to QMB 3003. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access MyLab Math and also the eText using the First Day program at UCF. First Day is a great program that saves students money, but it also makes it super easy for you to access the eText and MyLab Math directly through web courses by clicking on the Modules tab. So first, just to make sure you know, you're going to be using the Finite Maths with Calculus with Applications book, and assignments will be given in MyLab Math for this course. You'll have access to the eText and MyLab Math directly in web courses through the modules link. There's two very important things that you must do the very first week of class. Number one, find the Modules tab in your web courses. This is where you're going to access the eText and MyLab Math. The first week it's free, it's open access, but that ends after the drop add period. So before it ends, which is Friday, January 14th, make sure you click on Course Materials. This is where you're going to either opt in or opt out. If you opt in, you'll save about 30% off the national price. If you opt out and you decide to purchase later, it's going to be 30% more. And this all has to be done by the drop add period, which is Friday, January 14th, or if you're switching classes around, January 16th, which is Sunday. So step one, go into your web courses. On the left-hand side, look for modules, and then look for the MyLab Math links. And as your instructor can set this up slightly different, so just click on any of the MyLab homework assignments, the eText, or the home button. The very first time you do this, you're going to have to agree to the terms of use, so you'll check this box and hit continue. And then for the first week, you can simply go to modules and have open access to all the MyLab and eText content directly in the modules tab. If you're staying in this class, I highly suggest that you find the course materials button and opt in. And make sure you do this before Friday, January 14th. Otherwise, the price is going to go up to about $146, which is the national price. If you did add a course late, you have until January 16th actually to opt in. So keep in mind you have to do it by the absolute deadline of January 16th in order to save some money. The first day charges, if you opt in, are going to post to your UCF student account, and they will appear as a digital course materials fee. So just to go through it step by step, you click on course materials, you opt in, you're going to receive an email at your Knight's email address. Triple check that you have opted in, especially if you've switched from section to section. And also remember that this is per course. This is per UCF course. So make sure you opt into all the first day courses individually. You're going to have access, after you opt in, you're going to have access to the textbook and the MyLab through the modules tab for the rest of the semester. So again, after the deadline, if you do miss the opt-in deadline, you can purchase, but it's going to be 30% more. You simply have to go to the bookstore or purchase it online at the main UCF page. And remember, after the deadline, your access will be cut off to the eText and the modules, so you will have to be reactivated, and this process can take 24 to 48 hours. If you need help with first day, like about the questions about opt-in or the email that you received, you can go to the UCF bookstore or go to any of their URLs or the 800 number here. If you have questions about Pearson, about the eText or MyLab, you can connect with us via Zoom this very first week during this time period. Simply scan that, or you can fill out a form based on this URL for this QR code, and then we can connect with you via email. Throughout the semester, if you need help, simply scan this or Google Pearson Technical Support. Live phone and chat is available 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., and then you always have access to the knowledge base 24/7. If you have any issues with MyLab or the eText, probably the best line of defense at first is simply to clear your cache and cookies. This will solve 99% of the problems. You can also make sure at the beginning of the semester do a browser check to make sure everything's up to date. And that if you need help, again, this is Pearson technical support that's available all the time. And I hope you have a great semester.